Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Locuschain token. Now this token I saw in the top gainer section a couple days ago on CoinMarketCap. Today it's up 2.4%, sitting at about 6.6 cents per token. Ticker symbol is Locus. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Locuschain. So I'm sure they are in the works or have their own blockchain, but this token specifically, ticker symbol Locus, is on the Ethereum blockchain, and you can find their Etherscan and their contract address on CoinMarketCap, along with their webpage, locuschain.com. They also have Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, a couple different Telegrams. They even have 2 full audits here listed on CoinMarketCap. One of them is from Slowmist and another one is from Certic. So they have a full Certic audit on here, which is the leading auditor in the crypto space. So that's great. Now this token is available on a few different central exchanges. You can get it off of Bitmart, Bitrue, and xt.com. So basically you download Bitrue, Bitmart, or XT from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. That's what it's paired with on all those exchanges. It's also paired with Ethereum on Bitrue. And basically you would just go into the trade section, search Locus, which is the ticker symbol, and then you would trade your USDT for the Locuschain token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. Now, what is the Locuschain? So it says Locuschain aims to be the most widely used next generation layer 1 public blockchain protocol, which achieves both full decentralization and scalability simultaneously. As a decentralized, scalable layer 1 chain based on patented technologies, Locuschain aims to support various DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, Smart City, CBDC, which is central bank digital currency projects, by being the most reliable, secure, low-cost, and high-performance Layer 1 public blockchain platform. Locuschain claims to be the first decentralized Layer 1 public blockchain to ever solve the blockchain trilemma of decentralization, scalability, and security. So the Locus token here, it says the Locus token type before the mainnet is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token with the smart contract issued by Locuschain Foundation. However, given that the tokens on the public Ethereum network cannot be used on the Locuschain directly, we will be making use of the hashed time-locked contracts to allow one-to-one atomic swaps of Locus tokens from Ethereum to the Locuschain mainnet. Locus will be the main cryptocurrency required for all the operations on the Locuschain network and all of its applications. Locus is a payment method for the entire network economy. Tokens are used by validators who can easily participate, developers and users to participate in the Locus network to receive rewards. It also is used for fees and to participate in future governance. So it's a DAO token as well. So within the ecosystem, it says top developers and high-profile business partners are participating in the development of Locuschain, one after another. High-performance Layer 1 blockchains can create various business opportunities in sectors including decentralized finance, real estate, transaction platforms, and game money, etc. as well as creating various other tokens. In addition, Locuschain also allows the users to use blockchain verification service through a simple linkage without building a separate blockchain. Since its high-performance public blockchain platform technology licensing will be carried out in the future in the areas of CBDC and IoT, including smart cities, smart factories, and smart grids, based on vast amounts of data. Also has special technology of Locus, the directed acyclic graph, the DAG, and AWTC, the account-wise transaction chain. The AWTC is a central data structure of Locuschain's high-capacity distributed transaction processing, and the AWTC is a DAG-based data structure composed of multiple transaction chains, each for an account. Each account has its dedicated chain. New transactions issued by account is primarily added to the account's chain. So it goes over more about the DAG and the AWTC. You can read more about that. We're not going to go in depth on that. There's a little bit about the creators of Locus on here. The key development members of the Locuschain were developers from Blue Side Engine, Korea's first commercial game engine. You can read more about that as well. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, locuschain.com, at the top of their page, they have an About Us section where you can meet the team, check out the company roadmap. There's partners, coin economy, history. You can learn about the technology, the ecosystem. There's also projects that they're working on here. One of them is called Smart City. Another one's called Krita. Another one's called the Locus Game Chain. There's a community section. There's a news section and a contact us section. Also a full white paper in the bottom right-hand corner of their webpage. So it says reshaping the limits and possibilities of blockchain technology. So basically, Locuschain is fully decentralized, unlimited scalability, highly secure, minimum e-waste, incredible performance, the fastest growing ecosystem, and you can get in touch with them. They also have socials linked on their webpage here. They have a LinkedIn, they have a Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, and Medium articles that you could get more information from as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Locuschain? Do you guys think this is a good investment? Do you guys think this is a cool product, ecosystem, software, whatever you want to call it? What do you guys think about it? Leave a comment, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.